Let's turn from there to our special report today, and it comes from Mumbai, where the man who's been in the eye of the storm, Sameer Wankhede, the Narcotics Control Bureau official who's now being accused of extortion and fraud, is battling on several fronts. Today, India Today has exclusively accessed the annual declaration of assets made by Wankhede to his department. Remember, Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has claimed that Wankhede could be guilty of disproportionate assets as well. Kamlesh Sutar with tonight's exclusive report.
Sameer Wankhede, the Narcotics Control Bureau Zonal Director, is seen as the man behind the crackdown on Bollywood. The face of the NCB in Mumbai is now in the headlines over accusations of extortion. Among other things, Wankhede's lifestyle is also now under the scanner.
पतलून लाख रुपए की, पट्टा 2 लाख रुपए का, जूता 2.5 लाख रुपए का, घड़ी 50 लाख रुपए की, 25 लाख रुपए की, 30 लाख रुपए की। जिस तरह के कपड़े इन तमाम दिनों में उन्होंने पहने, उसकी कीमत ही 5-10 करोड़ रुपए की है। क्या ईमानदार अफसर 10 करोड़ के कपड़े पहनता होगा?
Nawab Malik had earlier cast doubts on the Wankhede family's foreign tours, questioning the integrity of the officer. Do the charges cut any ice? India Today accessed the annual declaration made by Wankhede on his immovable properties to his department as mandated by rules.
As per the rules, government officials have to declare their immovable properties every year. Sameer Wankhede too has declared all his immovable properties in the statement in 2021. Apart from other properties that are owned by him, he has shown 2 flats in his name in Mumbai's suburban Lokhandwala area, which is considered as one of the posh areas in Mumbai. This is the Kamdini society where I'm standing right now. Sameer Wankhede in his declaration has shown 2 flats in his name in this very building. One flat at measuring around 1500 square feet along with parking, and the other one at measuring around 900 square feet. However, Sameer Wankhede has made it clear in his declaration that both the properties have been inherited from his late mother and have been brought way before he became an IRS officer.
Here is the list of assets submitted by Wankhede. A 1,500 square feet flat in Kamdhenu building, Lokhandwala, was bought in 1999 for 80 lakh rupees. Wankhede inherited the property from his mother and is the sole owner. He has shown an annual income of 6,60,000 rupees from the property. In his declaration, the current value of the property is shown as 80 lakh rupees. Wankhede has inherited another flat with an area of 900 square feet in the same Kamdhenu building in Lokhandwala from his mother. This was bought in 2004 for 70 lakh rupees. No income is shown from this property, which again is solely owned by Wankhede. The current value of the flat is shown as 70 lakh rupees. Sameer's sister and lawyer Yasmeen Wankhede runs her office from the premises. In the same vicinity of Lokhandwala, Wankhede has inherited one more flat from his mother. The 615 square feet flat is in the posh 17-floor Royal Classic Tower. This property is jointly owned by Wankhede, his ex-wife Dr. Shabana and their son. The current value of the flat is shown as approximately 80 lakh rupees. There is no income shown from the property. Another property inherited from his mother is in Navi Mumbai. Hotel Sadhguru is jointly owned by Wankhede and his father D.K. Wankhede. This was bought in 1995. The approximate annual income from the hotel declared is 2,40,000 rupees. The approximate current value of the property is shown as 1 crore rupees. Wankhede, his father and sister jointly own 4 acres of agricultural land in Varud village in Washim district. The approximate value of the land is shown at 40 lakh rupees. According to his declaration, he is not earning any income from the land. The only property Wankhede has bought during his service period is in a posh high-rise in Goregaon. The 1,100 square feet flat is valued at 2.20 crore rupees in the declaration. That is rupees 20,000 per square feet. This flat is jointly owned by Wankhede, his current wife Kranti Redkar and his father T.K. Wankhede. As per the declaration, the property is still under construction and full payment has not been made. After Nawab Malik raised questions about Wankhede's lifestyle, the NCB officer's wife Kranti Redkar has been vocal in defending him. When contacted for her reaction, Kranti said her version is out on Twitter. In a post on Tuesday, Kranti had said all of Sameer's properties are made by his mother when she was alive. Definitely not worth 50 or 100 crore. Sameer owns them since 15 years of age. All documents are produced to the government every year as per rules for civil servants. They are not benami. According to the declaration submitted by Wankhede in January 2021, the approximate value of all properties solely and jointly owned is 5 crore and 90 lakh rupees. These include 5 flats in Mumbai, 1 hotel in Navi Mumbai, and agricultural land in Washim. The total annual income from one of the flats in Lokhandwala and the hotel is 9 lakh rupees. Real estate experts claim property details mentioned are approximate present value, which may vary according to situation. Wankhede is being investigated after a witness in the Aryan Khan drug case, Prabhakar Sel, claimed a bid to extort 25 crore rupees from Shah Rukh Khan. With Nawab Malik teasing a new expose on Sunday, the fireworks are bound to continue well past Diwali. With Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.